For installing 12 by 24 inch large format tiles, use a mortar specifically made for large format tile to ensure proper support and adhesion. Choose a polymer modified large format tile mortar labeled for large format tiles and medium bed applications, such as a VersaBond LFT gray fortified medium bed product, and follow the manufacturer instructions exactly for mixing ratios and open time. Use a properly sized notched trowel matched to the tile back and mortar type so you get full coverage and avoid voids that cause hollow spots and cracking. For 12 by 24 inch tiles, that often means a larger notch and back buttering the tile when needed. Ensure the substrate is flat to within about 1/4 inch over 10 feet by using a straight edge and level, and apply a skim coat or leveling product for any high or low spots before bedding tiles. Mix only what you can use in about 30 minutes to prevent flash setting and loss of workability. If the mix thickens, discard and remix rather than adding water, which weakens the mortar. Keep substrates clean, firm, and properly prepared for moisture conditions by using recommended primers or moisture mitigation as specified by the manufacturer so the bond is not compromised. When installing, periodically lift a tile after placement to check mortar coverage and adjust technique to achieve 60% minimum coverage for interior floors and 90% for wet areas or exterior installations. Common issues include insufficient mortar coverage that leads to hollow spots and potential tile breakage, corrected by using the proper trowel size, back buttering large tiles, and verifying coverage as you go. Another frequent problem is incorrect mixing or overwatering, which reduces strength and open time, so measure water accurately, mix to the manufacturer consistency, and mix only what you will use in the pot life. Uneven substrate or excessive deflection causes lippage and cracking, so confirm flatness tolerances, repair or level the substrate ahead of time, and avoid installing large tiles over unsupported or flexible floors. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides a space where we can discuss projects, ask questions, and share experiences about tile selection and installation techniques. We help contractors find leads and let homeowners read and participate in our discussion community to make better informed decisions.